If your student loans are causing you real stress, there's a reason. And most of the time, it's not only because of the debt, though that's bad enough. It's the information. I want to slow it down today. I'm not here to motivate you or sell you any hope. I just want to explain why this system creates so much unnecessary distress and how clarity alone, correct information, often reduces it. My name's Anthony Perano. I'm a federal court attorney with 35 years experience. I handle complex financial and student loan cases. Early in my career, I also worked as a psychiatric emergency service room clinician. That experience taught me something very important that still applies today. People don't break down because they're weak. They break down when they're forced to make decisions based upon information they can't trust. So that's the core message here, that stress is informational. Human beings are information processing systems. When information is coherent, decisions feel manageable. When information is contradictory, incomplete, or wrong, the body reacts. That reaction feels like anxiety or stress, but it's actually the nervous system responding to uncertainty. Now back to the student loans. They're one of those worst systems I've ever seen because borrowers are constantly shown numbers and statuses that look final but often aren't. Let me explain what I see every day. So I regularly review these student loan accounts and they show payments miscounted, the wrong payment plan listed, loans marked in repayment when they should be balances discharged, or balances inflated by timing issues, capitalization, system errors. None of that means the borrowers did anything wrong. It means the servicer system is dysfunctional. The most important thing to understand is this: the screen is not the law. The screen controls outcomes, not the dashboard you're looking at on a bad day. So why does this create panic decisions? When people see information they don't understand and they can't verify, they assume it's final. That's when people refinance when they shouldn't. They drain their retirement accounts when they shouldn't. They take on unnecessary financial risk, or they freeze and do nothing at all. But those decisions don't come from reality. They come from corrupted input. So, what we need is a safe legal position. And when I say we're looking for a legally safe position, I don't mean a promise. I mean stability. A position where the correct rules apply, the account is understood, the next steps are clear, and nothing irreversible is done out of fear. So we don't want to look at this as an emergency. We don't want to rush student loan decisions. We want to slow them down. So again, I'm addressing stress here. And what actually reduces it? Well, I've seen over the decades this. Stress drops when reality becomes coherent. Not because the debt disappears overnight, but because the borrower finally understands what's real and what isn't, and what actually matters. Clarity reduces stress, not reassurance, not motivation. It's clarity. So if this resonates with you, stick with me. My channel is about restoring clarity in a system that creates confusion and helping people make decisions based on accurate information and not based on fear. So I'm Anthony Perano. I'm a federal court attorney with 35 years experience. Stay with me if you want honest, truthful, and accurate advice based strictly on the law. And hopefully I'll see you soon.